Hey everyone, it's Georgia here with Mobile Homes by Georgia, and I've got a really exciting tour for you guys today. Stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll be taking you up onto that covered porch at the end of the house. So right now we're going to be heading on into the Helicon 3.0. This is built by Winston Homebuilders, and this has been a bestseller for quite a while, so I knew it was time to give you guys a full tour. Now this is going to be 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and right under 2,300 square feet. So here's a brief look over this beautiful living room that flows right on into your kitchen. Now this has got to be one of the biggest kitchens that I've seen in any of our houses. Notice how much cabinet space you have in here and countertop space. Now all of those stainless steel appliances are going to come with the purchase of your house. And I love how much storage you have in this island. You're going to have your 60-40 split farmhouse stainless steel sink right there. There's another look at that kind of breezeway that connects the 2 rooms. Now I love that you've got these windows right here. You can open those up and let in some fresh air. And then you've got this stainless steel vent hood. And I love the shiplap wall right here. Such a pretty accent. And then the brick on this island is going to match your backsplash that we just saw behind the stove. And check out all of this additional cabinet space here, guys. I love that that little nook is there. That would be perfect for a coffee bar. And now I'll get to show you your soft close feature that comes with all of your cabinets and drawers in this house. Now that is such a great feature if you have kids and you don't want to hear any more slamming cabinets. Okay, so on this side of the house, we're going to have the master bedroom, which is absolutely massive. You would not have to worry about if all of your furniture would fit in here. Now check out the size of this closet, you guys. This is definitely one of the most impressive closets that I have personally seen. Now I love all the built-ins in here. That's countertop space, perfect for folding your laundry right before you put it away. Now check out how deep these cabinets are. Again, you're going to have that soft close feature in here. And down here, all of these shelves will be perfect for your shoes or your bags. And I love all the natural light that you get in here. That definitely isn't a feature that you see in many closets. Remember guys, if you want to change out the flooring, the wall color, the cabinets, the countertops, all of that stuff can be done to your liking. Now let's check out this beautiful master bathroom. Such a great layout in here. I love the countertop space that you get. And those sinks are really pretty as well. And the size of this deck tub is going to be amazing. Again, endless natural light throughout this house. Now this tiled shower is definitely going to be one of the largest ones that Winston Homes offers. I love that your main handle is right there so you don't have to go all the way into the shower and get wet when you're turning it on to warm up. And then you've got an additional shower head right there, a little handheld one. And that's what your view would be if you were in here. And you guys can definitely replace that deck tub with a standalone tub. That's one reason why I love Winston Homes, is that there's so many features that you can customize. Now there's a look at your water closet. And if you guys were curious about where this house is, it's located at 3500 East Texas Street, Bossier City, Louisiana. That's where I work, and we deliver up to 150 miles. So if you guys come by or call in, make sure to ask for Georgia, as I would love to help you get into a new home. And I love that you do get a pantry in this kitchen. Okay, now I'm going to give you guys a closer look into this amazing living room. Again, another accent shiplap wall that ties into the rest of the house really nicely. I love that you get these additional built-ins over here, perfect for all of your knickknacks and photos. Now these cabinets are going to be a little bit more shallow, but still really useful. I love that you've got that shelf in there. Now where those windows are, you can absolutely add in a garden door or a sliding glass door. It would be perfect if you planned on building a porch out there. Now there is a look at your entertainment center. So your TV would go above there, or some artwork. And you can upgrade this electric fireplace to a wood burning fireplace. That is another feature that Winston Homes offers. Okay, now on this side of the house, we're gonna have your guest bedrooms, your guest bathroom, and your laundry room. Now, I love this bathroom because you have 2 doors in here. It's perfect if you have one kid taking a shower using the restroom while the other one is brushing their teeth. And the size of this shower tub combo is really great as well. Plenty of storage in here. Okay, now we're gonna have your laundry room. Again, tons of cabinet space in here. And I love that you've got this utility sink, perfect for washing off your boots or soaking your clothes before you throw them in the laundry. So there's where your washer and dryer would go. Now this is gonna be your second entrance that's going into the back side of the house. And then you've definitely got room right there for an extra deep freeze or refrigerator. And there's a quick look at your thermostat. Okay, here is gonna be your first guest bedroom. Now this is probably gonna be the smallest of them, but still a really great size. And again, check out all this crown molding that comes in the Winston Homes. That's gonna be another feature that is really unique to this house. Also, you guys can absolutely order this house with ceiling fans in all of the bedrooms if they don't already have them. Now, a walk-in closet in here is amazing. This is gonna definitely be your largest of the 3 guest bedrooms. Okay, your third guest bedroom, but still a really great size. And again, another walk-in closet. Okay, now when we came in the front door, there was that little coat closet that I missed, so I want to make sure you guys get a good look at that. And now it's really deep, and I've had plenty of customers convert this into additional pantry space, but if not, that would be great for hanging up your coats, putting maybe your vacuum or your mop in there. Now I'm going to give you guys one more brief look over this beautiful house. Now again, this was the Helicon 3.0 built by Winston Homebuilders. Now we're gonna head outside. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit more of the exterior along with that covered porch. And now I love this kind of little inset porch that you already get with the house. You've got an electrical plug there, perfect for Christmas time and hanging up your lights. And now you're gonna notice this cedar skirting. This was an upgrade that we chose to do on this house. It ties in perfectly with those cedar shutters. And also along the top side of that house, notice those exterior lights. All the colors on here really go together so beautifully. But again, if you order this house and you want to change out any of those colors, you can absolutely do that. Okay, now let me introduce you to your Firefly porch. Now this was just an add-on that we put at the end of this house. Typically, this would have a door connecting to the inside of the house, but this is something that you can order with any of our homes. And also, like I said, when we are in there, you could have a sliding glass door going out onto the back side of the house and have this right there. Now you've got room for a TV above that wood-burning fireplace. You've got your composite decking that holds up really well, and then all of those cedar accents. Now I love that you've kind of got this mini kitchen space. You've got room in that hole for a mini fridge. You've got your stainless steel sink, and then they did do granite countertops out here that are gonna hold up really well. And then that would be perfect for putting some bar seats. Okay, now I'm gonna go down and show you guys what the full exterior of this looks like. Now it is built on frame, so that's another great feature. So let's say you ever moved your house and you wanted to take your porch with you, you could absolutely do that with this one. So many beautiful accents on this exterior, and then you'll notice all of that recessed lighting up top. All right, guys, thank you so much for taking a look at the Helicon 3.0 with me. Definitely let me know what you think about it in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm so excited to show you what other houses we have on the lot. Have a great day, everyone.